Hey guys, Mr. Williams here. Wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of me while you're waiting for me to arrive from Guam. I'll be at Spangdahlem High School on the 7th of September. Until then, Miss Lipscomb will be holding it down for me as the sub. So I look forward to seeing everybody, and hopefully you enjoy a little bit about me here. A little bit about my educational background. I'm just like you guys, military brat. Went to Vilsec Elementary School, then Vilsec High School. My junior year in high school, we PCS to Atlanta, where I attended and graduated from Fayette County High School, and then attended Valdosta State University, where I earned 2 degrees, a bachelor's in biology, and a master's in middle grades math and science. I've been teaching mostly high school. This is my 15th year now, but I have taught grades 6 through 12, all types of science, mostly biology, AP environmental science, and human anatomy. Like I said, I'm just like you. I'm also a military brat. There you see a little picture of myself back in probably the 7th or 8th grade, something like that. And then you see me there today, so haven't aged too much, right? My background is German and Jamaican, so I'm a fluent German speaker. My mom's from Frankfurt. My dad is born in Jamaica, grew up in London, and he was in the Army for 25 years. Some pictures of my family. You see there, my wife, she's also a teacher. I've got 3 kids, 7, 3, and 4, and I was able to go back this summer to Atlanta and see my parents and my sister and their family. So it's been 2 years since we've seen each other. So had a great summer. My hobbies, like I said, I like to travel when I can. This summer, not only did I go back to Atlanta, I got a chance to go to Nevada and do some hiking in the desert there. I love cooking. You see some of my work there, and I love working out. So now what I want you guys to do until I arrive, I want you guys to get logged into your Google accounts, and your Google accounts are attached to your Schoology account. So if you can get into your Google apps, your Gmail accounts, you can get into Schoology. Our class will be virtually paperless, so everything you'll need for the courses will be accessible through Schoology. So I want to try to demonstrate that for you guys today. So there's that screen. I've got Schoology bookmarked already. So because I'm already logged into my Google account up here, you can see that when I go to schoology.dodea.edu, I'm automatically into my courses. It looks like I'm teaching biology, human anatomy, and a research project class. Doesn't matter which one of these courses you have me for, the first 2 weeks are going to be the same. So I'll use this biology course here as a sample. Once you guys get logged in there on the first day, just review the syllabus. You can see upcoming here the things that I want you guys working on for the next 2 weeks. So review the syllabus. This is pretty user-friendly here. You just click on the assignment. There's instructions on what to do here. So, for example, here I want you to review the syllabus attached, complete page 5 of the course syllabus for homework, review it with a parent or guardian, and then submit it via Schoology. Last, you'll send me a little welcome email introduction, letting me know who you are, and then give me a 3, 2, 1. 3 things you learned about the course by reading the syllabus, 2 things that you have questions about now that you've read the syllabus, and then 1 thing that you look forward to studying this school year in the course that you're enrolled in. Alright, it's pretty easy. Up here you'll have a open document or my document button, and it'll open up the course syllabus and you'll be able to review it and submit it. Alright. The teacher view is a little bit different. The student view, you'll have submission buttons and things like that. So it's pretty intuitive. If you got any questions, let me or Miss Lipscomb know. Going back to the course homepage, you can see that throughout the week. For 2 weeks, there's a couple more things for you to do. Once you've reviewed the syllabus, you guys can do a little lab safety briefing. There's, again, instructions first, then, and last of what to do. There's links down here for the video and the safety contract, so just read and follow along there. And post in the discussion board down here once you're completing that. Back to the course homepage again. You'll see that the next thing is a lab safety quiz. Again, I will be there for the first 2 weeks, so depending on how the school days go, and I know it's a 8 block schedule every other day. Just follow Miss Lipsom's guidance on, pacing of how quickly you guys can get through these things. Use these due dates as just a guideline of how to get things done and when to get things done. Your quizzes will pop up here as well. All right, we'll preview that. You've got instructions there of when they're open, when they get them closed. You'll have 2 attempts on your quizzes. Typically, they'll open up on Fridays and close the following Tuesday. If there's not time in class to do the quizzes, you could just do them at home on your own time while they're open and get them submitted. The big thing here I want you guys to work on with your lab safety briefing is a tic-tac-toe project. I encourage you guys to work collaboratively with some people in your class on how to get these done. But this assignment is designed for you guys to show and demonstrate your mastery of lab safety. There are 9 boxes on this tic-tac-toe board. You do not need to complete all 9. You will need to just complete 3. But those 3 must form a diagonal, column, or a row. Right? And there's a second page here where you'll post the name of the assignment and the link to your final product. Back here you'll see a rubric for that, right? And you'll get that all submitted through Schoology. Like I said, everything is virtually paperless for the course, and you'll be able to access everything in Schoology. If you got any questions, you can email me. I look forward to meeting everybody, and I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.